Hi guys, I want to share with you a neat little quote. I'm reading this book, let's see if you can see it, The Leader Within You, a John Maxwell book, leadership book, but he's talking about gratitude in a few spots and it's pretty powerful. So I'm going to read this quote. It's from a book called Through the Wilderness of Loneliness that John references in this. It says this: "It is difficult to receive when your fists are clenched. It is impossible to embrace when your arms are crossed. It is difficult to see when your eyes are closed. It is hard to discover when your mind is made up. And a heart that has sealed itself off from giving has unknowingly sealed itself off from the ability to receive love." So powerful. Hopefully you can listen to that a few times. The other thing that he shares in here is about when he says, when we are grateful, fear disappears and faith appears. We've probably heard this concept of fear versus faith. Hopefully you have. You've seen the left side and the right side, fear and faith, opposing sides. But this idea of when we are grateful, fear disappears and faith appears. And that gives us strength and motivation to act, because it's in our actions, right? Our thoughts create our feelings, the feelings create the energy with which we act. The actions create the results. So this concept of being grateful, allowing us to feel faith, helps to give us strength and motivation to act. And then there was one other thing in this chapter. This chapter is on attitude. That's why we're talking about gratitude. Attitude and gratitude. One other thing I wanted to read. It's called The Lion Chaser's Manifesto. I'll just share it with you right here. And this is what I'm going to end with. So just a couple little quotes today. Hopefully this adds value. So it says this: The Lion Chaser's Manifesto. "Quit living as if the purpose of life is to arrive safely at death. Run to the roar. Set God-sized goals. Pursue God-given passions. Go after a dream that is destined to fail without divine intervention." I'm going to read that sentence one more time. Go after a dream that is destined to fail without divine intervention. Stop pointing out problems and become part of the solution. Stop repeating the past. Start creating the future. Face your fears, fight for your dreams, grab opportunity by the mane and don't let go. Live like today is the first day and the last day of your life. Burn sinful bridges, blaze new trails, live for the applause of nail-scarred hands. Don't let what's wrong with you keep you from worshiping what's right with God. Dare to fail, dare to be different. Quit holding out, quit holding back, quit running away. Chase the lion. And then he shares in this last thought: whatever the lion is in your life, I encourage you to adopt a whatever it takes attitude to chase the lion for all you're worth. Even if you never catch it, you'll never regret it. Now, the only thing I do want to add with that or share with that is this idea of a whatever it takes attitude, because John Maxwell talks a little bit about that in the chapter. I really want to ensure that comes comes alongside with this concept of surrender, of feeling grateful, of feeling good. So there's another book called Power versus Force. So not whatever it takes attitude in a forceful way. And I know this concept of chasing the lion could be interpreted as a forceful way, but I really want it to be taken in a passionate, joyful, high self-image, excitement, positive way and flowing way. Like that feels like I'm using my intuition and I'm acting on it, rather than I have my intuition and I'm freezing or I'm running away. Okay, so take this concept and just make sure that you're incorporating this idea of gratitude and allowing and flowing into this idea of positive, whatever it takes attitude. But that one quote that was my favorite, I said it twice, is go after a dream that is destined to fail without divine intervention. And how about that for increasing your level of faith? You're going to believe more in yourself and in the universe and in God and in everything when whatever you believe, but you're going to have belief in something higher than yourself when you go after a dream that's destined to fail without the intervention of the universe and God and whatever it is that you believe. But without that additional intervention, that's how you know. It's really exciting. scary and exciting at the same time. Okay, hope that was valuable. I hope some of you will get the chance to watch this and enjoy those quotes. Thanks so much.